Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how I went from my fro to this beautiful blowout straight hair. I am going to run you guys through the process. Of how I did this. So stay tuned. Here I'm going to be using is, okay, it was open. Alright, so that's the hair I'm going to be using. As you can see, the sticker is still in there. That hair cost me 20 bucks because I'm broke. I got school to pay for and I only got 2 jobs, so nobody got time to be paying for no $100 bill. Human hair, so I got me a 20 buck synthetic hair, okay? I can look beautiful in anything I wear. It don't matter if it's real or fake. I can rock anything, okay? Yeah, it's a blowout texture, straight hair. And it has 12, 13, 14, and also a closure. I'm probably not gonna wear the closure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it or not, but I'm 100% sure I'm probably not gonna wear the closure because I hate wearing closures. I hate wearing closures with the bottom of my heart. I know nowadays, 2018, everybody's wearing this natural looking wigs, but I'm still caught up on my sewing because, yeah, I'm cheap and broke. I got school to pay for, so don't judge me. Not ashamed of my 20 buck synthetic weave. So we're gonna make this weave rock, okay? So yeah, let's get started. Oh, let me show you guys my settings for these. Alright, so this is the setting. My brush, my big comb, my little comb, I'm definitely gonna need that. My scissors and 2 bobby pins because I'm probably gonna need that, so I set all of these apart. Whenever I need them, I just grab them. I don't have to go in a drawer trying to look for them. And I have 3 hair ties. I'm gonna need this when I part my hair. And I have my oil mixture. If you guys want to know what's in this little jar, check out my previous video. I told you guys what I have mixed in that jar. And my spring water bottle and my hair right here, set up right here where I could just easily grab them with no trouble. So I'm trying to keep my hair away from heat. Ever since I went natural, I have never put heat in all of my hair. Every time I washed my hair, it's always been like a natural. Okay, this is enough, right? Like a natural dry. This is enough because I don't want a lot of hair out. So I'm just gonna like twist this down. Y'all see this? Now let's get started. I always braid when I'm wearing weave. I always braid my hair down. I never do like the round up braids. I never do that because shoot, I forgot my needle. Where's my needle? Found one. I can't believe I forgot to set my needle apart. I always braid my hair going down every time. Is this enough? I'm not gonna like do little braids, tiny braids, because I never got time for that. Take my rubber band and just set this apart. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of water just on the ends because I'm not gonna put it in all of my hair because my hair is gonna be underneath. Shoot, there's another thing that I forgot. Yeah, I was not prepared for this video at all. In my oil. This should be a style. Yes. Half braided hair with a puff on the side. Like, yes. This should be a style. And I'm starting it. Walking around the street like, hey girl, I like your hair. Thank you. Go from one side. And it's braid. Cornrows. The other side. Puffs. How you doing? Okay. And we have completed the nice cornrows for my hair. I always do my cornrows like that for my braid because it's so much easier. Literally, it's so much easier for me to do my weave. No bumps, no nothing. Okay? Okay. And now it's all braided. It's all there you have it. I do it more than once because that way it holds the hair. I'm going to lift it up like this and then just lay it on my head like that. I'm just gonna put that somewhere. And then I'm going to start tying the thread along with my hair so it could stay and not just mess up inside of my cap. You guys see how laid up that is? It makes it so much easier. And now I'm going to tie the thread. And this is how I always tie my thread. It's always stronger for me. I promise you guys my hair is not tight, but as soon as I start putting the weave in, you guys, the pain will kick in. But after like 2 to 3 days, it just kind of like relaxes. Before I start cutting in the leave out part, I'm going to start braiding the cap on my head so it don't go nowhere. What I meant was sewing the cap into my hair so the cap don't go nowhere. So don't try to braid the cap on your head because I don't know if that's gonna work. Okay, so the way that I do my hair, it's always best for me. A lot of people may see it like, no, that's not how you're supposed to do it. That doesn't work like that. Everything works differently for different people, different hair type, and all that extra stuff. So everything that I do for my hair, best believe I do it because I know it works for me. Oh, and make sure your cap is clean too, because if you're putting on a dirty cap, you're gonna be itching. Trust me, you're gonna be itching. You're gonna be that. This time you're gonna be grabbing your shoes out your feet to beat the hell out of your head. And then I meet up the final one to that side, as you guys can see. And now I'm going to tie everything up. 14 is that one. I'm going to start with 14 first, and then I'm just going to pick her out. I'm going to put you on the floor real quick. No hard feelings. I got time to untie, brush it out now. I made sure to get it in a color that's similar to my color. This is 2. I'm gonna do it in ones so the hair can have a great amount of volume. Okay, so it doesn't look like a one place stiff hair. It doesn't get stiff the first time you wear it, but I'm gonna start from that side. I'm gonna start sewing it from that side and then to that side, and then I'm just gonna go around. I have 5 braids on each side of my hair. I have 5 on that side and 5 on that side. So I started the weave on the second one. As you can see, the first braid is right here and the second braid is right here. I started it on the second braid, and then I also ended it on the second braid. That way it like equals out, because my leave out is gonna be in the middle and I want everything to be like even out. So yeah, I am going to start on the second layer. I'm just gonna take that and fold it like this and then start on the second layer for the hair. And then I made sure to put the thread on that side and then start the second layer. I also started it right where I ended it on the second braid. I'm going to start jumping on the second 14. This on my, I'm gonna start it from here, and then I'm gonna continue and keep going and stop right there. Okay, Like I already said earlier, that my hair was probably not gonna go through all the package. Oops, as you guys can see, the only two that I used was the 14th and the 13th. That was it. The 12, I didn't even touch, not even one from the 12. So I'm going to cut the rest of this. I gotta make sure that it's okay, it's stable the way that it is. I'm just gonna cut. Usually when I do my hair, before I finish everything else, I put the hair back and look around to see if I need to sew any hair from around here to make the hair look full from here. And then I'm gonna go and stop right here, right behind my ears, and then yeah. Can y'all see? Yeah. Here all the way to the front. A lot of things we are doing. And now I'm gonna lay my hair down to see the fullness of this is legit. Lift it up so I don't cut my hair. I really hope I don't cut my hair, because I feel like I'm gonna cut my hair. Ooh, I'm not cutting my hair. Praise the Lord. I'm trying to keep my hair protected, and I lift a little bit out, and I know it's probably not saying much on that, but this is how the hair looks like. The hair, I feel like I should cut it or trim it at least. This is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And the most important one is to have a joy of your day. Do not let anybody ruin your day, okay? Alrighty, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.